racers, pick your lane.
It's that time. Hello everybody, NASCAR Man 73 here, bringing you guys once again King of the Drag Cars. I believe this is King of the Drag Cars 4. I believe this is the fourth one we've done. We have the rubber tires already in the gate. We have the Kings, as you can see them. Currently, for rubber tires, it's a Hoonigan 55 Bel Air Gasser. For plastic tires, it's the Hershey's Funny Car. So we're gonna see what all can be done here. As you guys saw and heard, start line's on. So let's jump into it, huh? We're leaving lane 1 open for any classes with 5 cars or less. Lane 1 will remain open. So in lane 2 we have Snake and Mongoose, or not Mongoose, but Snake. That's Dom Perdome. We have the Dodge Charger in lane 3. Matco Tools Funny Car, lane 4. Lane 5, we have these Mercury Cyclone Gasser. As you can see, poked up more than the rest of them. And in lane 6, we have the gold Funny Car, Matco Tools. On your marks, get set, go. Well, that wasn't good. Half of the 2 of the cars didn't even go. One of them didn't even finish. Lane 5, that's the Comet Racing. That's the Mercury Cyclone, I believe. So there's going to be, once again, Battle of the Gassers. Do it different. We'll do a first of 3 wins. Because normally I believe we just do a one and done. So that's kind of upsetting that half the cars, 4 of the cars didn't even go. I'm kind of upset by that. Put these cars right there just for now. Alright. 2 gassers. Let's run it. First of 3 wins.
Winner!
The Mercury with 1 win. Just swap lanes. Mercury might just be the faster car. Match point for the Mercury.
Winner! Lane 6!
1 more win for the Mercury. And he is the new king of the drag cars for rubber tires. And he's gonna do it.
Winner! Lane 5!
He gets his crown back. Your new king of the rubber tire drag cars is the Mercury Cyclone, which actually belongs on that hauler. That's the designated hauler for it. I'm going to pause, get them cleaned up, come back to y'all. And we're back with the drag trucks in the gate. We have in lane 6, I guess we should start in lane 6, go over to left, go left or right, I mean. We have the Chevy Pro Stock truck. In lane 5, we have Holland 40. That is a 40 Willis pickup. And the Comp Cam's Willie Willis pickup is in the 4th lane. Marks. Oh, let's see if it focus here. Oh, there you go. Marks, set, go.
Winner! Lane 4!
Kind of an anticlimactic race, but Comp Cams gets it. We put into the station. This one didn't even finish. He just seized up. I think it might be time for him to go to a junkyard. Let's see. Here's a junkyard, by the way. In case you're wondering what I mean by the junkyard. That's what I mean by the junkyard most times. Alright. Starting to get funny cars in now. Lane 1. we have another Don Perdome, another version of the Snake. Lane 2, we have King Kenny Bernstein. So I'm right with that car. It's picking up a wheel. This happens every now and then. Alright, it's fixed. Lane 3, we have the number 3 funny car. In lane 4, we have Hot Wheels. That's a Mustang. 71 Mustang, I believe. Lane 5, we got the Bonneville Bullet. And in lane 6, the T-Rex T-Bird. Or not T-Bird, Firebird. 6 cars. For the funny cars. For the retro funny cars, I should say. Or not just funny cars in general, because we got 1, 2, 3. We got like, I don't even know. I'm gonna have to go through them all. Anyways. Alright. Here's 6. Marks. Set. Go. Lane 5 gets it.
Lane 5.
That's the Bonneville Bullet. We're not doing one to just represent anymore. We're just doing them winner from each race. And we'll go from there. But man, Bonneville Bullet comes out on top. Best part about these funny cars, you can just pick them up like that. Most of them anyways. Not all of them. Alright, come back to y'all with the next race. Pause, come back. And we're back with the modern funny cars. And we're going to have one that gets a bypass. Actually, we are going to have them do each one representing. We're going to have representation here. Alright, for the modern funny cars, we have Firebird in lane 1. Don't know in lane 2, just standard 1. Mustang in lane 3. Mustang, is that Mustang in lane 4? Check real quick. Yes, Mustang in lane 4. Mustang in lane 5. And Supercharged in lane 6. It's going to be a lot of Mustangs in this one. Marks, set, go. Supercharged gets it. Impressive. Supercharged. We'll face off against the other Supercharged. Number 75. And a one and done to face off. To see who goes and joins the staging. I need to quit kicking stuff. I'm gonna start piling them. They'll find their way eventually. I'll clean them up. Alright. Supercharged versus Supercharged. 75 versus Earth Day. And 75 gets it.
Lane 5.
Alright, we'll come back to y'all with the next class. And we're back. We got a 41 Willis in lane 1. A 70 Dodge Charger in lane 2. Just blanked. That is Phil's Burner in lane 3. Moon Eyes 2010 Pro Stock Camaro in lane 4. A 2006 Pontiac GTO in lane 5. I don't know why it's so fuzzy. If I turn my flash on for this. There we go. In lane 6 we have another 2006 Pontiac GTO. Your marks, get set, go. Pontiac gets it. Man.
Lane 5.
the side pipes made it where it wouldn't. Side pipes made it where it wouldn't go. Unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. All right. I know we got a few of these in here. I'm going to get the ones that are in here out the way. This project, yeah, the project speeder is included with these. That's what I was thinking. All right. I'm just loading them in here, and then we'll come and look at them and get them and everything else when that time comes. That is 49er. All right, lane 1, we got Project Speeder. Lane 2, we have '86 Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock. Lane 3, we have 2018 Copo Camaro. Very fast car on Forza Horizon 5. I know from owning it. Lane 4, we have Pro Stock Firebird. Lane 5, 2010 Camaro Pro Stock. Lane 6, 49er. Your marks, get set, go. Surprise, surprise, it's Project Speeder. That car is just way too fast. Project Speeder is just, I don't get why. It's just such a fast car for like no reason. Absolutely no reason. It's just such a fast car. I'm kind of hoping this Firebird, this Pro Stock Firebird wins one eventually. Because this Pro Stock Firebird, take a minute to look at it. It's beautiful, beautiful car. Absolutely stunning, amazing, incredible. Pay like $3 for it. It's kind of a waste of money, but I love it. All right, we have Jaded in lane 1. Lane 2, the Pictionary 2010 Pro Stock Camaro. Lane 3, it's gonna be a mouthful, I believe. No, 1988 Ford T-Bird. Chevy Volt, lane 4. Lane 5, Mustang Pro Stock. Lane 6, the destroyer of all hopes and dreams, the Dodge Neon. Another car that's really fast for no reason. Marks, get set, go. Oh man!
Winner, lane 5.
The destroyer of hopes and dreams has had its hopes and dreams destroyed by the Mustang. I know why the Mustang won. It must have thought there was a crowd down there. That's why. You know, they're known as crowd killers for a reason. They always be running people over. Big things coming. We might have a king of the merger. I'm possibly getting a 3D printed 3-lane to 2-lane merger, so we might be using the Sizzler track and the Crash Racers track and just merging. Might be. Very well possibly be. I think it'd be really cool. So we might be doing that eventually. Project Speeder lane 1. I don't even know what this thing is, but it's something. It can. Look at the El Camino sign. Look how beautiful that thing is. Paid like $20 for that sign. It was worth it though. If it can come out, come on. There we go. So you can do that. We might just let it run like that today. That's just a cooler version of it. McDonald's will be in lane. McDonald's will be in lane 5. Won't fit in lane 4. Mosquito, lane 3. Pack and Pacer will be in lane 4. In lane 6, that's an altered fuel that will join those. In lane 6, we have Sox and Martin. I'll just throw him in there. There we go. Sox and Martin in lane 6. Alright, on your marks. Get set. Go. Sox. Oh!
Winner! Lane 1!
I was it looked like Sox and Martin for a minute. I got my hopes up that a Project Speeder would have finally lost. The only time a Project Speeder is going to lose is when Project Speeders will be pinned up against each other. But it looked like Sox and Martin had it. I had my hopes up so high, just so high. I'm going ahead and put this one in here. This is Drag On Lady. Another 2018 Copo. I believe. No, 2013 Copo Camaro. My bad, 2013 Copo Camaro. 41 Willis, be in lane 3. '55 Chevy Bel Air, lane 4. Lane 5, we'll see this 1980 Camaro. Lane 6, we're going to have a buy run here, boys and girls. We'll have a Project Speeder buy run. Marks, get set. Go. Surprise, surprise, Project Speeder. And this Project Speeder gets a buy run. So it is going to be 4 Project Speeders in the final race to decide who will be representing the Pro Stock class. We count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I gotta have like a world record for like one of the biggest Project Speeder collections on accident. I don't even like Project Speeder. I just end up with the cars. And I'm like, oh, okay. Someone's like, hey, you gonna buy a car? Only $1. It's like a bag of cars. I'll be like, oh, okay. Pull out a Project Speeder, go, oh. That's my rant about Project Speeders. Okay. Line up in the order that they won. Hopefully we won't have a Project Speeder. Hopefully we'll have a actual Pro Stock like the Mustang or the Pontiac. But if a Project Speeder gets it, oh well, no harm done. Marks. So it's lined up properly. All right, on your marks, get set, go.
Winner! Lane 3!
The Mustang will be repping the Pro Stocks. Let's go! The Mustang overcome 4 Project Speeders and a Pontiac. We're gonna let them keep thinking there's a crowd down here waiting for them. You know, like I said, they got a knack for crowd killing. Alright, we'll come back to y'all with the next class. Actually, no. I'm going to get the next class in. I already know what it's going to be. It's going to be the fuel altereds. So here's fuel altereds. Here's there's this one. Here's Natasha Fatale. Lati is probably what that car's going to witness. And we have this Japanese one. Oh, what am I saying? We got to put them in these lanes. That's right. Alright, the start finish line won't interfere with that one. So we got to put him right there. Put him right there, okay. Marks, get set, go.
Winner! Lane 4! Winner!
He did not win. Lane 4 won. Lane 4 will be repping the fuel alters. This will probably be the last time that we do a 6 lane. We'll probably go back to maybe doing 3 wide drag racing over there. Maybe. Alright, come back to y'all with the next class. And we're back with the gassers. In lane 1 we have this 64 Chevy Nova Gasser Wagon. In lane 2, we have this Volvo P1800 Gasser. Lane 3, we have, I believe it's a 53 Corvette. 62 Corvette, my bad. 1962 Corvette. That's a 62? That ain't no dang 62. I refuse to believe that. Because the 62 would have resembled the 63, and the 63 was a split window. We have Boulevard or Cruise Bruiser in lane 4. We got the Cyclone in lane 5. The Mercury Comet Cyclone in lane 5. And if you guys recognize that car, see a resemblance. And in lane 6 we have Passing Gasser. On your marks, get set, go. The Volvo.
Winner. Lane 2.
Man, they feel just let a European come over here and kick butt. Dang. Me personally, I wouldn't have taken that disrespect. But I'm going to go ahead and get these in the gate and clean them up. Here's Jerry Rigged. Will be in lane 2. This MG Rover will be in lane 3. Lane 4, we'll see another Cruise Bruiser. Lane 5, we'll see a 55 Bel Air. Lane 6, we'll see, once again, Passing Gasser. That will come down here. Get these cars, these American cars that let themselves get beat by a European. And it's got a chance to happen twice with the MG Rover. Your marks, get set, go. It's going to be Cruise Bruiser getting it this time.
Lane 4.
Yeah, one and done, Volvo versus Cruise Bruiser. Let's see who will be repping the Gassers. Alright, marks, set, go. Man, that, wow.
Winner. Lane
Holy moly. What am I saying? I make these videos not made for kids. Holy shit. Good God almighty. That is actually a really fast casting. I might have to get more of these. Huh. Man. Alright. Get on the gassers. Come back to y'all in the next class. Now, I know what you may be thinking. These 5 cars are all behind the starting gate. This one isn't. Well, you see, trying to put him behind the starting gate, he won't be able to go. So we kind of sort of have to put him like this. I don't think he's going to win anyways. It's a Valvoline car in lane 1. We have the number 1 in lane 2. It's a funny car. It's a funny car class, by the way. We have Thorny Graves in lane 3. The Hot Wheels R-Cards Altered Ego in lane 4. Lane 5, we have Patriotism. That's what I'm nicknaming that one. Lane 6, we have Rock and Roller. Alright, on your marks, get set, go. Holy crap, it won.
Winner. Lane 1.
I gotta make sure that it wouldn't have gone with this, or else I'll feel bad. Yeah, it wouldn't have gone. Okay. Alright then. All of these cars got beat by a car that was longer than it. No, I know what you guys are going to say. Unfair advantage, unfair advantage. I didn't comprehend. I didn't think about that one when I decided we're going to use the 6 lane for 1. We'll probably go back to that. I promise we'll probably go back to that. As we get the next 3, the last 3 in the gate here. We have Diaper Dragger, We have Monsters Inc. Altered Ego, and we have the Hot Wheels Funny Car. Go. They're not Funny Car, Top Fuel.
Winner!
Altered Ego wins. The Monsters Inc. Altered Ego. Alright. It's going to be a one and done here to decide. Marks, set, go.
Winner! Lane 5!
I hate myself. I hate myself. This is going to make me look so bad because I was like, oh, it probably won't win. Even though it's got a very clear unfair advantage. And it's going to get a buy run. Oh, this makes me look so horrible right now, doesn't it, guys? Alright, we'll get them lined up. We have the Comp Cam's truck in lane 1. Bonneville Bullet in lane 2. Lane 3, we will see Supercharged. Lane 4, we will see the Mustang. Lane 5, we will see Natasha Fatale. Lane 6, we will see the Gasser. This is the Volvo P1800. And your marks, get set, go. The Bonneville Bullet, but not without a fight from the Volvo. Like I said, that Volvo is a scary fast casting. I don't like that. Alright, the winner here will try and take... I didn't drop it. You guys didn't see that. The winner here will move to try and take on the Hershey's drag. We gotta get this cleaned up first. Alright, it's gonna be a one and done. The Bonneville Bullet and the Vaseline Pioneer. The Bonneville Bullet will dethrone
Lane 5!
the hypocrisy and illegality of the Pioneer. Questionable legality. Alright, it's gonna be a best first. So it's gonna be a best of 5, first of 3 wins. Hershey's Racer, Hershey's drag car, and the Bonneville Bullet. Mark, set, go. Bonneville Bullet, wow!
Winner! Lane 6!
Took them to Gapaville. Holy moly. Alright, second race. Look at that. It's absolutely destroying him. Match point for Bonneville Bullet. We might see a new king here, folks. Might see a new king here. Your marks, get set, go.
Winner!
Ladies and gentlemen, everyone in between, we have a new king of the drag cars, the Bonneville Bullet. Bonneville Bullet. We'll move right there as we move the hauler back. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Turn off the finish line. I plan on making a community server soon, so it's not like a specific racing server or like a specific YTCS server, which those things will still be up. The YTCS server will, at least. The community server will kind of take over the racing server. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Helps me out a lot. So much. That being said, thank you guys so much for watching. This is going to be NASCAR Man 73 signing off with your new kings.